In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Windows Update is getting stuck on a random percentage. So if you're trying to update your computer and it keeps getting stuck on the update process, then I'm going to show you how we can go and solve this. So first, just open up the Start menu on your computer, go and search for the word Services and click on the Services window. Now scroll right down to the bottom of this page and you need to go and find a service called Windows Update. Once you've found this, double click on it, make sure the startup type is set to automatic and then press apply and OK. You're then going to double click on the service again, make sure the service status is running. If it's not already running, you can click the start button to go and run it and then press apply and OK. And then finally, we're going to right click on this service and press restart. You can then close out of this window, open up the start menu and search for troubleshoot and click on troubleshoot settings. Click on other troubleshooters, click on Windows Update and select run. Now you can just go through the steps on the screen to try and diagnose any issues with the Windows Updater. So I'm going to select I can't download, install or uninstall an update, and you'll need to consent to the Windows automated diagnostic, press yes, and then it's going to try and diagnose the issue. Once you've done that, you'll need to go and restart your computer, and once your computer's restarted, that should have solved any issues you were having. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.